Hi guys. Welcome book. Yeah, now it's not trying to make you laugh by my friend, which is this guy, which is playing the game. And then this wrench. Which one? Pegasus.
Phoenix. Firebird. Phoenix. Phoenix. Ash. Swamp.
Luffy's hat. This thing for this.
Gold.
Barney.
Barney
is a dinosaur. Catch them.
Like islands.
Is this a Death Note
Tornado.
or a sketchbook? It's a
Sandstorm.
sketchbook.
The dinosaur of the
Pikachu.
island. That's not Pikachu. That Utot me. Utot Pit.
There. There. Let me just paint your face.
Sandcastle.
You look ugly as hell. Just kidding. I did it, John. Oh, the straw. Stop it. This is a wrench to fix your ugly face. Just kidding.
You are ugly.
Before you go,
Pegasushi.
let me show you his collection.
Pegasushi.
Wait, let me show you his Pokemon cards. He got some Pokemon cards. Pokemon. Which is so much. Which is gonna end.
3, 2, 1. Bam.
Before you go, I want to introduce you to Kair.
Sheesh.
Bye. Bye.